Good day. In this question, we are asked to balance the equation and to write the correct ionic equation. So here we have acetic acid, C2O4 aqueous, plus NaOH aqueous will form H2O liquid and Na2C2O4 aqueous. So in the product we have 2 Na, so therefore we need to add 2 also here. For the H, we have 4H, therefore we need to add also 2 here. So this is our balance equation. The coefficients here will be 1, 2, 2, and 1. So the complete ionic equation